Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey. Lesson 2.2 Fee. Fee is also known as in or at. Examples: at fil ghurfat, at the bedroom. In fil fasli, in the classroom. We will look at the original word. Observe the actual word. Anta, which is a damir. Fi, which is a harfu jar. Al-faslu, which is a noun. You are in the classroom. Let's recap how does al-faslu become al-fasli. Shakal plays an important role. It acts as a vowel. Because of harfu jar, the shakal of the last letter of isim must be kasrah. Let's recap and learn new words. Al-Baitu means house. Al-Faslu means classroom. Al-Matbahu means kitchen. Let's try to build sentences. The sentence consists of domir, harfu jar, and isim. Now, fill in the blanks. Ana fil matbahi. Anta fil baiti. Anti fil fasli. You have just learned harfu jar number 2 of 8, which is fi, also known as in or at. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 2.3. Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. Ila liqa. See you again.